Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. If you follow me on Instagram, you have kind of seen like some mini tutorials on how I wash my brushes. I recently did one, and then I did get some new products that you guys saw in my recent PR haul from Sigma. I got their brush cleaning glove, and I have been testing it out. And I have found like the best way to wash your brushes. This is the fastest and easiest method that I've ever tried, and I have tried a bunch of different ways to wash my brushes. I normally hate washing my brushes because I have so many and I feel like it takes forever, but I washed a ton of brushes this morning and it went so quick. It's so easy with the products that I'm going to be showing you guys. This video is not sponsored by Sigma or anything like that. I just do get sent their products in PR and I really do love them. I do have a coupon code if you guys want to check any of the products out that I mentioned in this video. It is Melinda and you can get 10% off your order. So before we get into today's video, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm also doing a huge giveaway right now. You guys do not want to miss out on that. I will have it linked in my description box below, and then I'll also have the video where you can see all the prizes up here in the cards. Today's post notification goes to Vanessa Beauty. Make sure you guys go check out her channel. I believe she does beauty videos as well. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next notification shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm first going to be going in with my Sigmagic scrub, and once you take the top off, it just has the soap inside, and then it has these little notches that really help to clean your brush. So it has little suction cups on the back, so I'm going to go ahead and press that onto my sink. The first thing I do is turn on the water, and I'm going to run my brush under the water for a couple of seconds, and then I'm just going to swirl my brush around on the Sigmagic scrub and get some soap onto it. Now I'm going to move over to my Sigma brush cleaning glove, and I'm going to be using the eyes side. I'm just going to run a little bit of water over the glove, and then I'm going to take that brush with the soap on it, and I'm going to start swirling that around on the wash section of the glove. Now we're going to go ahead and rinse that off, and then we're going to go back onto the Sigmagic scrub and get a little bit more soap. Now I'm going to move back over to the glove, and I'm just going to run my brush along the refine section, and then we're going to move over to the refine plus section, and I'm going to swirl my brush around in circular motions. Now it's time for the final rinse, and then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to put it between these little ridges and squeeze out the water, and this is also going to help shape the brush. And as you can see, the brush is looking almost brand new again. There is no more eyeshadow on it. It looks pretty clean. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing with my next eye brush. We're first going to start out by running it under some water, then we're going to swirl it around on the Sigmagic scrub, and then we're going to move over to the glove and just run it along the wash section. Then we're going to rinse and repeat, swirling it around on the Sigmagic scrub, move over to the refine section and run that up and down, and then move it to the refine plus and do some circular motions, and then we're going to do the final rinse. And then of course we're going to squeeze out any excess water and shape the brush. So what's really nice about the glove is that you can do multiple brushes at once. So I'm just going to take this bundle of brushes and rinse them under some water, and then I'm going to swirl them around on my Sigmagic scrub. Now I'm just going to run them all along that wash section of the glove. After rinsing them all off, I like to do the rest of the steps individually. I feel like this just helps it go by a lot faster when you do the first wash section all together. Since you guys already know the deal, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through me washing the rest of my eye brushes. So now I'm going to be moving on to face brushes, and as you can see, my Sigma F80 brush is so dirty. There is so much caked up foundation in this brush. So of course I'm going to go ahead and start off by rinsing the brush under some water, and then we're going to go ahead and swirl that around on the Sigmagic scrub. Now I'm going to be moving over to the face side of my Sigma glove, and as you can see, it's a little bit different. I'm going to first start out by swirling my brush around on the wash section of my glove. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my first rinse, and then we're going to go back in in with some more soap from the Sigmagic scrub. I'm going to move over into the first refine section on my glove, and I'm just going to go in up and down motions, and then we're going to move over into the refine plus section, and I'm just going to be doing back and forth motions here as well. Then I'm going to be doing the final rinse, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did with the eye brushes and squeeze out the excess water between these little ridges on the side of the glove. So this really helped deep clean my brush, which was so dirty, and now it is really clean again. Now I'm just going to repeat this process with the rest of my face brushes, and we're going to once again speed through this. So the last thing I like to do is put my brushes on my Sigma Dry and Shape Tower, which has seriously been a life changer. You can put so many brushes on this and then they're not just like laying all over your counter. So I put all of my eye brushes in the top section, and then in the bottom section I put all of my bigger brushes, and they have these little like black pieces that help to hold your brush hairs in place while they dry so they don't turn out looking crazy. So you just slide your brush up through that little piece, and then you pull it to where it holds all of the bristles in place. And then I just leave my brushes on the tower to dry overnight. All right, you guys, so that is how I wash my makeup brushes. This is seriously like the easiest and fastest way that I have ever found. I'm so glad that I have that big brush cleaning glove now. I used to just use like the Sigmagic scrub on its own, and I just feel like the two together work so much better. You guys saw when I cleaned my Sigma F80 brush, it was like completely clean, and that brush has not been like 100% clean in a really long time, because when I just used like the Sigmagic scrub by itself, it didn't really get all like the makeup that was like deep down inside of the brush. But with the glove, it really gets everything out because it has all of the different little textured parts where you can really, you know, deep clean your brushes. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. There will be a link for it in my description box below. I'm also going to have all of the products that I used to clean my brushes linked in my description box below as well, if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!